Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polkadot price prediction and Polkadot news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polkadot in 2022. Polkadot is an open-source sharding multi-chain protocol that facilitates the cross-chain transfer of any data or asset type, not just tokens, and thus makes a wide range of blockchains interoperable with each other. This interoperability aims to create a fully decentralized private network managed by users, as well as to simplify the creation of new applications, systems and services. Polkadot was created by the Swiss-based WEB3 Foundation, which was founded as an open-source project to build a fully functional and user-friendly decentralized web. Its founders are Dr. Gavin Wood, Robert Habermeyer and Peter Chabin. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Polkadot. Why Polkadot's recovery might just depend on this metric's 3-month high. Polkadot and its pair chains have created a niche for themselves in the DeFi space, cumulatively accounting for $1.31 billion. And, looking at the investors' response to these pair chains, it seems like their auction will play a major role in pulling Polkadot out of its price slump. Going once, going twice, and Affinity, the winner of the 6th pair chain during the second round of pair chain auctions, is scheduled to be onboarded on Engine on 11 March. With 3 days to go still, Polkadot is already exhibiting some bullishness. Even so, with the broader market still in a state of fear, prices have more or less consolidated for a while too. In terms of development, Polkadot is looking at the next pair chain auction ending in 2 days which, by the looks of it, will be won by Nodal. Described to be a crowdsourced, decentralized IoT, Internet of Things, and on the network. Like Polkadot, Kusama also has many pair chains. XCM is a format that describes how messages between chains should be performed. It's designed to be a common language for communicating between different consensus mechanisms, wherein all of the data on a message transfer is sent through Polkadot's or Kusama's relay chain. Doing this allows every pair chain on those networks to verify those messages, enabling XCM to expedite trusted communications between any two pair chains. By adding support for NFTs on XCM, Polkadot and Kusama have essentially created the concept of multi-chain NFTs that can live on any blockchain within their respective networks. It could pave the way for NFTs to play a far more prominent role in business transactions, with the tokens used as payment or to represent an order or something else. It will also allow NFT holders to better leverage their tokens, for example by borrowing capital from a DeFi platform on a different chain, using their NFT as collateral. Interoperable NFTs would also help to accelerate adoption, others believe. At present, the NFT landscape is quite fractured. While most are based on the Ethereum blockchain, there are many that are not. That has led to the rise of multiple NFT marketplaces for each type of token, adding confusion to the space for new users. By making it possible for NFTs to teleport onto other chains, Polkadot and Kusama will help to eliminate much of the confusion around them and accelerate adoption. And second news today about Polkadot pair chain Parallel Finance deploys full suite of DeFi capabilities. The Polkadot and Kusama pair chain hub Parallel Finance made a big splash in the DeFi space today, launching no less than 6 new products in one fell swoop. The new products have been launched on Hyco Finance, which is Parallel Finance's deployment on Kusama, a public pre-production environment of the main Polkadot chain. They mark the realization of Hyco's vision as an integrated DeFi pair chain, with each one being naturally interoperable and efficient, thanks to the functionality of the substrate chain that underlies them, Parallel Finance said. Later, the decline certainly is disappointing. Investors, are you awake? This has been triggered by the lack of liveliness among investors, something consequently reflected in the transactions conducted throughout the day. Some 22K to 23K investors have been active on the network over the last week. This is a significant drop down from its earlier numbers. Even so, since both the token and the network are doing well currently, the lack of participation might not be a trigger for a relapse. DOT can continue to rise or at the very least, consolidate around its current position. The reason a relapse is likely to occur is that the overall volatility is presently at its lowest point in over 16 months, ref. Polkadot volatility image. This will keep the price swings under control. With DOT inching so close to $23.21, the altcoin will have the opportunity to flip it into resistance. Such a price action will allow it to recover all of 2022's losses. There are payment systems like Bitcoin, developer blockchains like Ethereum, and then there is Polkadot, the multi-chain network that has ranked among the top 10 crypto projects since 2020. It's been called the Ethereum killer, leading innovation platform, and Internet of Blockchains. With over $1.2 billion of value locked and a $20 million market cap, DOT's numbers show some truth to these names. But if you ask any Polkadot investor, hardly any of them can explain what it does. To understand why Polkadot is essential for the future of blockchains, let's start by its formal definition. Polkadot is a blockchain with heterogeneous multi-chain and translation architecture. It allows interoperability, scalability, and innovation for Layer 1 blockchains. What makes Polkadot confusing for starters is its uniqueness. Unlike Ethereum or Bitcoin, Polkadot doesn't have smart contract features. The essence of DOT is the central relay chain. It provides infrastructure able to support up to 100 other blockchains at once. Security, governance, and cross-chain communication technology. All blockchains that connect to Polkadot can communicate with each other, known as paired chains. Price 2. Rationale: the RSI was unable to climb past the 56 mark, which has been a relatively important level in the past few months. Generally, a move above 55 to 60 on the RSI has heralded gains for DOT. Consistently being above this level would indicate a strong uptrend. Instead, the RSI has stayed under the neutral 50 level to denote a downtrend for the past 3 months. The awesome oscillator poked its nose above the zero line, but could be forced back under due to the rejection at $19. The OBV has been sliding south consistently. This is a sign that selling volume has steadily outmuscled buying volume in recent months. Well, as always, by the end of the video, a little analytics and forecasts for the coming years for those who are going to invest in this cryptocurrency. In recent months, investors have shown increasing interest in the crypto space due to its rapid price growth and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Polkadot, DOT, a good investment? Polkadot Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Polkadot, DOT, prices will reach a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $24.40. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Polkadot's maximum price could be up to $27.45 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Polkadot Course Prediction 2023. The OTs have huge potential, with certain interactions and innovations, an increase in the number of users, and advertising is possible. If the market focuses on investing in Polkadot, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $40.82. DOT is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $35.11, a minimum price of $34.13, and a maximum price of $40.82. DOT Price Forecast 2024. For a long-term forecast of the Polkadot price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average DOT price will rise to around $49.06 by 2024 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2024, the year may end with a maximum price of $59.25 with a minimum price $47.65 level. DOT Price Prediction 2025. DOT will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polkadot price will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2025, the Polkadot exchange rate will be almost $65.94. The maximum bet we can get is $82.47. Polkadot end 2025 average price forecast could be around $67.90. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. In principle, that's all. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to share the video with a friend and turn on the notification on the channel so as not to miss new videos.